Getting involved with the 3D printing has been an awareness of mine, having been in the mechanical engineering field and aerospace in Connecticut. Being able to broaden my skills and to develop knowledge of the 3D printing technology was really a growth aspect for me.
I'm currently finishing my master's degree in graphic information design. I've come from a very digital background. Transferring to a digital to reality program like the additive manufacturing has actually just been a logical step.
I'm at the stage in my life where I probably have another year or two before I retire. So I'm looking for something new to get into a small business doing prototyping.
I can be a jack of all trades, which is my favorite approach to exploring challenges and just new frontiers of what I want to make or build.
I was in manufacturing for over 30 years, so familiar with 3D type work. So last year I wound up getting a license for Fusion 360, and when this opportunity came up, it allowed me to apply what I learned.
I've always had an inkling for 3D additive manufacturing. I was always interested in it. So I'm looking forward to build up my foundation from what I've learned here and take it to the next step.
The skills I have today are worth way more than what I had a year ago. That right there is worth its weight in gold. It's just what I can do in my time and what I can give back to others and saying yes to more things.
This was just another arena to bring my core knowledge base into a more effective practice. I can now run prototypes on my own and be able to get a job in that field, seeing as though it's brand new technology that's coming into a really great aspect of our world.
In the future, I'm going to use the design work to move into metal and to wood. And some of the projects that I'm going to do are probably going to combine all three of those mediums. And I plan on working on doing the hobby craft type projects initially, and then in the future, as things go well, I would move into maybe some more commercial products that would be sellable.
Having somebody that can sort of not think in mathematical constants and think outside the box is something that more industries need, because I think it takes them out of their comfort zone, which allows them to innovate and make things better for more different diverse groups of people.
Highly, highly recommend it. It is the best decision I've ever made, and I've been having a ton of fun, not only just the collaborative process of just sharing ideas with others and having like-minded individuals around me, but being able to actually get ideas out of my head onto paper, and then paper onto a machine, and then before I know it, I have a product in my hands.
Definitely go for it. There's new technology out there always, and being able to stay with the times on that new technology can keep you head and shoulders above the rest in the workforce.